Yeah. Soon as I land, gotta get me a toolie. They catch me slipping, I swear he gon' do me. I double back, drop him down with the Uzi. I put him to sleep, he wake up in the ghoulie. Homie, I see him in back of the tunnel. They camping, they shooting, watch out for the funnel. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. My brody gon' flank you and brody gon' slug you. Picked up a random, ain't lane with a crew at. He just went off by himself, why you do that? If you go down, man, we cannot get you back. We'll take us that money and cop us a you at. Back in the truck, ride with my polo. Yeah. Soon as I land, gotta get me a toolie. They catch me slipping, I swear he gon' do me. I double back, drop him down with the Uzi. I put him to sleep, he wake up in the ghoulie. Homie, I see him in back of the tunnel. They camping, they shooting, watch out for the funnel. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. My brody gon' flip him.
What's going on, y'all? It's Matt Wolf. You know I got a new pickup. Yo, shout out to the Wolf Pack, man. Wolf Pack, I appreciate y'all. We growing. We going crazy, man. That's all I can ask for. I appreciate you for real, man. If you just now tapping in, first time in the channel, welcome to the Matt Wolf channel. Now I mean, firearm extraordinaire, big savage. Now I gotta stop saying that shit, man. I gotta stop saying that. But yeah, man, yo, follow me on Instagram. Listen, my Instagram see everything first. My Instagram see everything first. I posted this on my Instagram a couple days ago, so Instagram see everything first. And if you ain't follow me on the gram, man, you're not in the pack, man. Straight up. Listen, we gonna get right to it, man. I got a new pickup. You know what I mean? Ooh wee! You see the title? You know what it is, man. My first 7.62. You know what I mean? I got the Polish Hellpup, man. The budget AKP. The broke man AK pistol, man. Let's check it out, though. This is what it come in. I opened the box before the camera came on. You know what I mean? Because I had to see what was in there. You feel me? I had to make sure I didn't finesse me. I had to make sure I didn't get finessed. But let's take a look, man. Let me zoom in on that shit. Alright, so when you buy one, this is how mine came. Listen, if your shit came better than mine, man, they owe me money. So I got the manual. Know the vibes, man. It comes with 2 mags. And this is the pistol. Polish Hellpup, man. Listen, I see people online saying don't buy a Polish Hellpup because the front trunnion is casted and it's not hammer forged or any of that shit. Listen, we gonna put it to the test. This gun is for y'all. This gun is for y'all. I'm gonna hook it up, make it look nice, but I'm gonna run it in the mud. I'm gonna put rounds and rounds, not today, but throughout the duration of the challenge, throughout the duration of the channel, I'm gonna put rounds after rounds after rounds after rounds to it. I'm gonna keep a round count sheet, and I'm gonna see if I can make that thing blow up. Like everyone online say it blows up. I'm gonna see if I can make it blow up, man. We're gonna test the reliability. So I'm gonna do it on my budget, so you won't have to, man. So at the end of a couple months, we're gonna decide, should you buy an AK Hellpup, Polish Hellpup. Honestly, man, for the price, $649 out the door, 2 mags. I seen some people getting it with 4 mags. Mags, can't beat that. But yeah, man, we're gonna get into it. Let's go. All right, so here we are. You know what I mean? Got my new baby. Let's check it out, man. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, it comes a little stiff, so, you know what I mean? You gotta work some oil into it. I already took it apart, oiled it up. But it's still a little stiff. I gotta upgrade some trigger, I'm gonna upgrade some parts, but let's have some fun with it. First shots. Never been fired before. I read somewhere on the forum that these only last for about 15,000 rounds. So here on the Matt Wolf channel, we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna see if that's true or if it's cap. You know what I mean? But let's go. Let's get some shots in. We gotta do this shit GHG hustle style, man. Shout out to Hustle, man.
Might as well dump the rest. Hey, she holds up, man. She holds up. Smoke coming out. You know what I mean? My Z-Pup smoking. Y'all think it's about to blow up? This ain't even a Z-Pup. Oh, fuck. It's hot as fuck.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Hellpup smoking, man. Y'all think this shit about to blow up? I burn my damn hand on this shit, man. It's hot. Listen, I'm an AR guy, so I gotta get used to this shit, man. It's hot, like, bro, it's hot right here. Up, it's hot. So I gotta put some furniture on it, man. Hey, shout out to that boy Emphasis for holding me down, man. Giving me some AK tutorials. Shout out my boy Hustle for holding me down. Giving me some AK tutorials, man. Hey, y'all getting me right. I ain't gonna cap, this shit's fun, but I'm an AR guy for life, but we're gonna see if I like this, man. So far, so good. Let me load some more up. Shout out that boy GHG Hustle, man. Listen, this patch right here has 3 attributes to your hip fire control, man, with the kid. If you don't got the patch, you're missing out on 3 hip fire points, bro. You know what I mean? Stability. You know what I mean? This patch is lit, man. Shout out that boy Hustle, man. Stay dangerous, legally dangerous, you know what I mean? Yeah. Matt Wolf patch is coming soon. Hit my DM. I'm gonna put him on the site too. We're gonna get it litty, man. Stay dangerous. It's up how you do that. If you go down, man, we cannot get you back. We'll take us that money and cop us a U-out. Back of the truck, ride with my pole out. I got a shotty, I need me a loadout. Sniper from West, I know that he see us. He shot me, I'm down, man. Somebody pick me up. I got a thermal scope on the M4. Got him. I fire shots, I broke his armor. He knocked me down, I came back, but that's karma. Thought he was tough, he turned into a jogger. He fought to his dome, man, he know he a goner. His homie play hero, get hit with the kilo. We dropping your body, we take the De Niro. Yo, come on, wait, how you gon' take it on, man? I need me some chicken, bro, shit, I got 0. Swinging some bread, I'ma cop me a cluster. I drop a strike, let it burn like it's Usher. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. You know, Shaq got the sniper, no Brody gon' bust him. Oh, shit, he killed me. Alright, bet. Oh, shit, I got Ghoulie, alright. Left? My left, right? Oh, shit, he tight. Yo, he tight. I'm back, baby. Soon as I land, gotta give me a toolie. They catch me slip. Yeah. Soon as I land, gotta give me a toolie. They catch me slipping, I swear he gon' do me. I double back, drop him down with the Uzi. I put him to sleep, he wake up in the ghoulie. Homie, I see him in back of the tunnel. They camping, they shooting, watch out for the funnel. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. My Brody gon' flank you and Brody gon' slug you. Picked up a random.